Welcome back. Let us go through this question first. Figure shows the xt plot of one-dimensional motion of a particle. Is it correct to say from the graph that the particle moves in a straight line for t less than 0 and on a parabolic path for t greater than 0? If not, suggest a suitable physical context for this graph. So the answer to this question would be it cannot be said from the above given graph whether the particle is moving along a straight line or along a parabolic path, as the xt graph does not tell us about the trajectory taken by the particle. From the given graph, we can only say that the position of the particle along the x-axis does not change till time t is equal to 0, and after that it starts increasing in non-linear manner. Hope it's clear to you. See you in the next one.